Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about hexadecimal arithmetic. We are going to see hexadecimal addition and hexadecimal subtraction. So first you are going to see hexadecimal addition. So you will be getting a question like this: add hexadecimal number FACE base 16 and 8973 base 16. So base 16 indicates it is an hexadecimal number. You just write the numbers according to the positional values. We already discussed about hexadecimal number, which has the numbers from 0 to 15, that is 16 numbers. Okay. So if you are adding some numbers, if it goes beyond 15, what happens? Say F is having the equivalent value 15. So 15 plus 1, it should be 16. But since it is an hexadecimal number, you don't have 16. So the next digit will be 10. Okay. So same like your binary or other decimal equivalent, say octal number. You have 0 to 7, 0 to 7. So when you add 7 plus 1, it becomes 10. Okay. Same way, when you add binary number 1 plus 1, it becomes 10. Same like that. When you add a number f plus 1, it also becomes 10. Okay. Remember that without confusion, if you want to do any problem, you have to remember this point. F plus 1 is 10. Okay. Now you will start by adding the digits from the right hand side position. So E plus 3, okay, so E has the equivalent decimal value 14, 14 plus 3 is 11, so let's count 14, that is E, plus 1 is F, okay, after that you have 10, then after that you have 11, so 3 numbers, so you will have E plus 1, that is become F plus 1 becomes 10, 10 plus 1 becomes 11. So that's how you are getting 14 plus 3 equal to 11. Okay. So the sum is 1 and carry is 1. So put 1 down and then carry over 1 to the next column. Now you have C here. So C plus 1 is D. Then you take 7 fingers and then start counting. So after D it will be E, F. Then you got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So you are getting 14. So you will get 4 down and carry over 1. So you can see 1 plus 12, okay, that is 13, that is the equivalent value will be D. D plus 7 is 14. Okay, so when you count after F, you have to start from 10 again, so it becomes 14. So 4 down, that is the sum, and then carry is 1. Okay, next you have 1 plus A plus 9. So 1 plus A is nothing but 10. So 1 plus 10 is 11, 11 plus 9 equal to 14. So 11 will be nothing but B. Just take 9 fingers and start counting. So after 11 it will be 12, that is you can say C, D, E, F. Then you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So you have 9 numbers. So 14 is the answer. So the sum is 4 and the carry is 1. So you have to put 4 and then carry is 1. Okay, now we got F plus 1 is 10. Okay, so 10 plus 8 is, obviously you will get 18. So you can see 1 plus 15, that is you don't have 16 there, so it becomes 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So the sum is 8 and then carry is 1. So you will get 18441. Base 16 is the binary hexadecimal addition. Okay, for the given value. So beginning it will be little confusing, but when you practice it, it will be very easy. Always remember this point: F plus 1 equal to 10. Okay, when you start counting, you will get that. Okay, next you are going to see about hexadecimal subtraction. Okay, here you can see an example: 1E 5 base 16 minus 177 base 16. So you already seen the octal subtraction. You remember octal subtraction in the previous video. We subtracted by converting into 15 complement, that is 7's complement, and then make it as an 8's complement, then you added it. So here it is an hexadecimal number, so you are going to find the 16th complement. First you have to find the 15th complement and then convert it into 16th complement. For all that you are going to do for negative number. So here the negative number is minus 177. Okay. So the maximum value is FFF, that is a 3-digit number. So write FFF and then write 177 according to the positional value and just subtract it. Okay, F minus 7. So F is nothing but 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Same way again you got f minus 7 is 8. Then you got f minus 1. 15 minus 1 is 14. The binary that is hexadecimal equivalent is E. So E88 is the 15th complement for the number, that is 177. Now to make it as a 16th complement, you have to add 1 to that. That is the same rule we used for all the arithmetic. So you are going to add it. So it will become 8 plus 1 becomes 9. Then you got 8 and E. So E89 is the 16th complement for 177. Okay. Now you take the number, add it with the number 1E5. That is 1E5. Below that, right? E89. Now you are going to add this. Use the same rule. Okay, the previous slide you would have seen addition, same rule. So 5, then you have to take or you can take 9 and then take 5 in your finger, then you add it. So it will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 14 is the number. Now you are going to write the binary, that is hexadecimal equivalent for 14, that is E. Okay, just write E there down. And now you are going to the next column, E plus 8. So E plus 8 is nothing but you are going to take 8 in your finger and then start counting. After E, you have F, then you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? So when you count that, you will get 16. So write 1, that is 6, that is a sum down and then carry over 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus E. So E is nothing but 14, 14 plus 2. So 14 plus 2, that is E plus 1 is F, F plus 1 is 10. Right. So already we said you remember F plus 1 is 10. So you will get 1, 0, E, 6E. Right. So you have to drop this extra bit whatever you got. So you have to cancel this one. So you will have 3-bit number. Okay, that since you have 0 in front, you are going to cancel that also. You are going to drop that also. You will have only 6 and E base 16. So this is how you are going to subtract. So remember, you have to take the negative value. Okay, convert into 15th complement by subtracting the number from FFF. That is the maximum value. Okay, so if it is a 4-digit number, then FF. So after subtracting, you will get a number. You add 1 to that to make it as a 16-bit complement. Okay, 16th complement notation. And then you add it with the number, that is positive number. So 1E5 is the positive number. We will be adding with E89. So you use the rule what we learned in hexadecimal addition. Same rules has to be followed. Don't worry, you become a child to count the fingers and all. If you want the answer correct, you have to do that. Okay. So the final answer is 6E base 16 for this hexadecimal subtraction. So we understood the hexadecimal addition and subtraction. You can practice more questions so that you will understand. Okay. So unless you practice, you won't be able to understand properly. So do practice. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.